You open your paycheck and something's missing. Hundreds gone. No warning. No time to react. That's how wage garnishment feels when a court judgment hits. In today's video, we're breaking down exactly how court judgments turn into paycheck deductions in both the US and Canada, and what you can do right now to stop it before your next payday. Let's start with the truth. Most people don't realize you can lose part of your paycheck without ever showing up in court. Here's how it happens. You miss a few payments: credit card, loan, or line of credit. The lender sues you. You ignore the letter because you're stressed or think it's a scam. Then one day, the court issues a default judgment. That piece of paper gives your creditor the legal power to grab your money straight from your wages or even your bank account. In the United States, wage garnishment laws vary by state. But here's the general rule. The federal government allows creditors to take up to 25% of your disposable income after taxes, or everything above 30 times the federal minimum wage, whichever is less. That means if you earn $1,200 a week after taxes, around $300 could disappear each payday. In Canada, it depends on the province. In Ontario and BC, creditors can take up to 20% of your net pay. In Alberta, it's 50% of any amount over $800 per month. Some provinces protect minimum income levels, but not by much. Once a garnishment order is issued, your employer has no choice. They're legally required to send that portion of your pay directly to the court. Here's the scary part. Once the judgment is in place, it doesn't expire quickly. Creditors can keep renewing it, sometimes for up to 10 years or more. So how do you stop it? There are 3 immediate actions you can take before payday. Step 1. Check the court file. If you get a notice of garnishment or writ of seizure, don't panic. Verify it. Go to your local courthouse or check online using your file number. Many people discover the judgment was entered without their knowledge, often because notices went to an old address. If that's the case, you can file a motion to set aside the default judgment. That freezes the garnishment until the court reviews your case. Step 2. Negotiate before enforcement. Even after a judgment, creditors often accept a payment plan to avoid paperwork and delays. Call or email the collection lawyer directly and say, "I'd like to arrange voluntary payments to prevent wage garnishment." If you show good faith and start paying, they'll often pause enforcement because they'd rather get paid steadily than chase you through court. Step 3. Protect essential income. In both countries, certain funds are exempt from garnishment, like social assistance, disability, pensions, or child support. If your account holds these, notify your bank and the court immediately. Use this line: "These funds are exempt under federal and provincial law, and I request immediate release of any frozen amount." The key is acting fast. Once your employer receives the garnishment order, you can't stop that first deduction, but you can prevent the next one. Here's the bottom line: wage garnishment doesn't happen overnight. It's the result of ignoring letters, missing deadlines, and hoping it goes away. But with one phone call or court motion, you can stop it before your paycheck disappears. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more practical breakdowns like this, and share it with someone who might be one paycheck away from finding out the hard way.